Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video which is about Snapchat device ban problem. So guys, here I will show you how can you easily fix this problem in your mobile. So guys, first of all you will have to watch this video till the end to fix this problem. So the very first solution for this problem is that you will have to simply update your device to the latest version. So guys, for that, open the settings in your device and scroll it below, tap on general and tap on software update and wait for some second, and from here download and install the latest version of software for your device. So after this, check if the problem is fixed or not, and if you are still facing this problem, then go for the other solution, that is you will have to update your Snapchat in your device. So for that, open your app store, wait for some second, search here for Snapchat, here it is, and from here download and install the latest version of Snapchat in your device. So after this, check if the problem is fixed or not. So guys, if you are still facing this problem, then go for the other solution, that is you will have to open up your browser and from here search here for help.snapchat.com. here you can see this, and after this you will have to scroll it below and tap on contact us. So guys, wait for some seconds, and from here you will have to simply select one of them. I cannot access my account, and from here you will have to select that I cannot create a Snapchat account or my account is locked. So after this, scroll it below and give here your username and then your email address, then your phone number, and then you will have to describe your problem here in a brief way that your Snapchat device is banned. So as you will have to simply explain that your device has been banned on Snapchat mistakenly. So guys, from here you will have to explain your problem in a brief way that Snapchat has banned your device. So as you will have to explain that your device has been banned mistakenly and you have not violated any community guidelines in your Snapchat account. So as after this, hopefully the Snapchat team will try to contact you on this given number or email address, and they will try to fix this problem for you within 24 hours. So after this, your problem will be fixed. So that's it for today's video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.